Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Settings app and confirming prerequisites. Ensure your battery is above 20% and you have any account credentials ready. Once done, swipe or use search to find the exact setting. Typing keywords like display or app speeds this. Make sure to grant temporary permissions if settings asks. This allows changes to apply. You want to avoid interruptions, so close background apps and connect to Wi-Fi when downloads or updates may be required. You now navigate to the target setting, using the search bar to jump directly. This saves time versus drilling through menus. Once inside, tap toggles for on/off, drag sliders for brightness or volume, and open submenus for granular controls. If a confirmation dialog appears, read it. It explains consequences. For complex changes like permissions or battery optimization, use the apps or privacy sections. Remember, make one change at a time so you can test effects and revert easily. You finish by testing the change immediately. Open the affected app or feature and confirm expected behavior. Once satisfied, close settings and reboot the device after major adjustments to ensure system services reload. If things go wrong, options missing or features broken, clear the settings cache, check for system updates, then reset the specific setting to defaults rather than a full factory reset. Make a screenshot or note of what you changed so you can undo it quickly if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.